So this question is a question of relative frequency, and relative frequency formula is relative frequency is equal to frequency of specific event over total frequency. Okay, or total number. And always remember that relative frequency is always equal to its sum of relative frequencies is always equal to 1. So in a survey, some students were asked about their favorite type of music. They could choose classical and folk and reggae and rock. So following relative frequencies were calculated from the result. So first of all, let's find out the frequency of the reggae. So x, let's keep it as x, and like when we add all of them, that sum is always equal to 1. So we will plus all these and minus from 1. So it will be equal to x plus 0.15, 0.22, 0.15, 0.15, 0.22 plus 0.39. That is equal to 0.15, sorry, 0.15, 0.15, that is equal to 0.76. So x plus 0.76 is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1 minus 0.76, that is equal to 0.24. So relative frequency for reggae is 0.24. Now we are supposed to find out, calculate 300 students took part, so their total, like this total is 300, and calculate the number of students who choose reggae. So this frequency of the specific event we are supposed to find out, okay, and relative frequency for this is 0.24 that we have found. It is equal to 0.24. so simple thing, it is 0.24, and we will take this to the other side, and it will go 0.24 times by, because dividing opposite times, cross multiply frequency of students chose REGGA. So when you multiply, it will give you 0.24 times by 300, 0.24 times by 300 is equal to 72. So it is equal to 72. 72 is the answer. Next question is, in a survey, 3 out of every 100 women were taller than 1.9 meter, and one of these 100 women is picked at random. So calculate the probability that she is not taller than 1.9. Obviously, when you will find the probability for the women who are taller than 100, so probability taller than 1.9 meter, $1.9 meter is equal to 3 over 100. That's 3 out of every 100. So to not taller, whenever it is not taller, you will minus from, because you are supposed to find out the probability not taller than 1.9, that you always minus. Okay, whenever word not has come, you will minus from 1 the event, so that is equal to 3 over 100. So it will be equal to 100 minus 3 over 100, that is equal to 97, 0 point, and when you divide it by 100 it becomes 0.97. B part is again related to the relative frequency. So one thing which I want to tell you in the beginning, always remember, because this question is related to the relative frequency, and two things you have learnt in the previous question. One is the formula of relative frequency, and the other is that their sum is always equal to 1. And other thing is that whenever you divide this relative frequency, you divide the number, this number, by this relative frequency, you get the total number, total frequency, total frequency. This, if you will memorize it, it will help you. I will explain you how. So it will give you the total frequency, and this is going to help you in getting the other things. Okay, like here in this part, they say that find the total number of the people surveyed. So now I tell you the question. A new housing estate is being planned. There are 3 possible plans, A, B and C. A survey was carried out to see which plan people preferred. The relative frequency table shows the results. These are the relative frequencies given, and for this they have told us the number, they have told us the frequency and the relative frequency. And total frequency, like like if you can see here in this frequency formula, total frequency, when we take it there and you put it here, relative frequency, so then you will get the formula for the total frequency. Okay, so if we want to find out the total frequency here, so let's quickly figure it out. It will be total frequency. Purposely I'm doing this part first. So total frequency will be equal to 52 over 0.2. so when you will simplify it, it will become 520 over 2, that is equal to 260. So 260 is the number of, when you have found the total frequency, means when you have this fraction, now you can find out the number of any specific event, like just by multiplying. Like now with this total frequency, if you multiply this number 0 over 0.5, you will get the frequency for B. Like you will know that how many people liked plan B. So like they have asked how many people preferred plan A. Let's first figure this out. So just multiply with this 52 over 0.2, the relative frequency of this, that is 0.3. so you will get it 52 times by 3 over 2 is equal to 52, 26, and 26 3s are 3 6 are 18, and 3 2s are 6, and 1 7, 78. So this is 52, this is 78, and if you want to get the frequency for this, you will just multiply this total, that is 52 over 0.2, by this relative frequency, that is 0.5, and it will become 52 times by 5 over 2, 26, and it will be 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 5 2s are 10, 10 and 3 13, so 130. When you will add all of them, check that it is equal to 260. 130, 52 and 78, 130, 130 plus 130, 260. So just quickly find out the total frequency. Okay, total frequency, and then just multiply it with the specific relative frequency to get the specific frequency. Okay, like we have done it. So this is the important thing which you need to memorize. So I hope so this video will help you. If there is any problem, you can call me at this number and I can help you. Okay, we can discuss, and don't forget to subscribe my uh, channel. 323407890. Take care.